kind of lost my motivation at the moment. My things like sausages. People don't really support each other the same anymore. Your girl's been feeling a bit butters, do you know what I mean? Maybe that's why I feel ugly at the moment. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and in today's video I thought I'd do like a little catch up Q&A whilst I do my makeup. As you can tell, the makeup's already done because if I greeted you with the bare face you would be scared. I haven't done a video for a while, so in the video I explain where I've been, answer some of your questions that I asked you for on Instagram. You came through as usual, so if you did ask a question, thank you very much. But yeah, this is just my everyday makeup, simple but you know very effective, makes me look presentable. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and let's cut to the scary bare face Amy. Surprise Chatty. Man, so you know what, just keep it real right now. I have not even concealed my spots before I've come on camera. What's the point? Do you know what I mean? It's normal. It's that time of the month and I always seem to just get them all over my chin. I'm a bugger for picking my spots. Hello, I've gained about probably a good 8 new friends on my face at the moment. Surprisingly, these are more toned down than yesterday. So yeah, say hello to them. Have already moisturised and put SPF on. I don't even know if I'm going to talk through what I'm doing. I'm probably just going to answer the questions that you asked me. I don't know if you care about my very boring makeup routine. If you want an in-depth one, then let a girl know and I'll do it for you. Although I will just talk about this. This is the e.l.f. poreless primer or something. I'm enjoying it quite a lot at the moment. It's weird because it's in a tub rather than a tube. I feel like it's kind of a dupe to the Benefit one, though it didn't have a price on it, so I thought, oh, it's e.l.f. Isn't e.l.f. supposed to be quite cheap? No, it was about £9, so I was fuming about that. But you know what, not mad, would probably buy it again. Just thought I'd show you how I actually have my makeup organised on the floor. It's in this flat lay bag. Another reason for you to get the flat lay bags because they're just so easy. So I've got my iPad here and I'm going to answer the questions kind of in some kind of order. I don't know where to put it. Also, if you're wondering where my earrings are, they are from Lauren Page Jewellery on Instagram. Look how cute they are. They've got little hearts at the bottom. My chair keeps squeaking. They're just the cutest hoops ever. I am absolutely loving them at the moment. Oh, I haven't put concealer on my spots. Oh, fuck it, never mind. Please don't judge me about the way I put foundation on. So the first question is, where have you been? And this is a very good question because I've been away for probably about 3 weeks now. It's annoying. There is quite a few reasons, and obviously like you have time for everything. Like not having time for something is a myth, you know what people say. But honestly, I'm not sure where my spare time goes at the moment. I'm a busy gal, okay? I don't have any spare time in the week. I don't have much spare time at the weekend. So when I do have a spare time, I'm probably doing something. Also, with regards to YouTube, I find I've kind of lost my motivation at the moment. I'm uninspired. I just don't know what to film anymore. And my videos have been doing quite well. So it's not even that, I just don't really have a clue what to film. I'm trying to save money, so hauls aren't really the most practical thing at the moment because, you know, when I do a haul I don't do it by halves. I literally spend like £300 each haul, so you know what, it takes a good chunk of my money. Also, gonna be real, I've not been feeling my best. I'm just gonna say, because probably other people have this. I hope they do anyway, because if not they're gonna think I'm weird. I feel like I've been going through an ugly stage at the moment where the sight of myself just makes me want to be sick. I don't know if it's because I'm not really going out, so I'm not really seeing myself like at my full potential with a full face of makeup on. When I feel like this, I do not want to sit here for about 5 hours and watch myself on a screen to edit a video or film a video watching myself. Your girl's been feeling a bit butters, do you know what I mean? So I did try to do one of these videos the other week and I got 1 minute in, I just stopped, stood at the camera and turned the camera off. It feels a bit weird filming now because I haven't spoke to you properly for a very long time. So I'm sorry about that. If you've got any video ideas you want to see, let me know because I'm stuck. The camera just changed angle probably. The next question is, do you have any holidays planned? And of course I do. I need to stop squeaking. I'm gonna have to move this chair. Of course I have a holiday planned. I can't get through life without holiday planned. It's my toxic trait. My next holiday isn't until June. I'm going to Italy. I was supposed to be going to Italy last year and you know, the whole saga of my holidays last year. If you haven't watched my videos, feel free to watch them. We ended up in Portugal, no complaints, it was really good. But yeah, we was supposed to be going to Italy, so we're going again this year for a week to the same hotel that we had booked last year. I can't bloody wait, although I'm not going to keep my fingers crossed because Italy's very strict when it comes to the restrictions. I think they're relaxing it now, but I'm not going to keep anything crossed. They say you're not vaccinated unless you've had the 3rd vaccine, and I haven't, so I didn't know whether to get it just because I really want to go to Italy. I know that's not really a great reason, but I've already had the first 2, so I guess the damage is already done. And they had really strict rules in, like we have to show a super green pass to get in anywhere, and I just don't really agree with it. I think it's a bit of a ball ache. I'm not keeping anything crossed. I'm not sure of an alternative if that plan flops. I'm gonna wing it, I think. So yeah, and I'm also going on a girls' holiday, which I'm so excited about. That was also supposed to be going ahead last year, and I just can't wait to go away with the girls. So yeah, this year should be a good one. And would you believe it, I already have my holidays planned for next year. Not joking when I say my life literally revolves around getting out of the country. So yeah, trying to save money, but holidays are the most important thing to me. Living my best life. Another one is any exciting plans coming up. Obviously my holiday in June. Do I have anything else planned? Going to a friend's birthday party next week, and got like a little double date night in the Easter bank holiday, so that'd be cute as well. I'm also going away in July. 3 holidays, look at me go. Next one is, how did you meet your boyfriend? I've actually said this before. I actually met on Tinder, god, I don't even know how many years ago. 4 years ago maybe? 3 years ago? No, it must be 4 years ago, I think. Yeah, we matched on Tinder, we're speaking for a bit, we had a few dates and left it off there. And then we started talking again in COVID. And it was really weird actually, because we both got like furloughed at the same time. We went back to work on the same day. Very odd. Throughout lockdown, we was having a good time, do you know what I mean? He's literally like the same person as me though. It's strange how well we get along. I've never known not to have an argument with my other half. We don't argue at all. I can't remember the last time we had an argument, and it's very strange to me. The next question is, do you think YouTube's changed since you started? Yes, I was talking to one of my YouTube pals last night about this, Martina, and she literally said the same thing as me. I feel like everyone who started around the same time has slowly gave up, and it's very hard to stay consistent. It's a very time consuming thing, and I feel like people don't really support each other the same anymore. I feel like some of the videos, I don't, like even myself, I find myself watching less YouTube videos, don't really know why. I think everyone just has less spare time, so can't put as much time into making videos maybe. Definitely not as interactive as it used to be, just my personal opinion, but there is still people who I speak to all the time. Favourite YouTube videos to film? Definitely hauls. Everybody knows this. I have God knows how many hauls on my channel. Trust it to be the most expensive video to film, but you know what? I just love filming hauls. Just find them quite entertaining. I love watching hauls myself, so that's probably why. I love filming holiday vlogs. People probably think they are cringy, but they are the videos that I will rewatch, you know, rewatch my own videos. I know it's weird. They just cheer me up. I love holiday vlogs, and I think they're such a good thing to look back on. I feel like as well, if you haven't got a YouTube channel, still do a holiday vlog. You know, just record clips and you can watch it back. Like, that's there forever now, and it is something that I will cherish, I guess. It just brings back great memories. That got a bit cringe, but you know, holiday vlogs are great. Can you see yourself doing YouTube full time? Not in my current position, definitely not. If I was in like a dream world, I would love to. My dream like niche would probably be travel content. Like, imagine having that much money, you could just go away all the time. Proudest YouTube moment is probably, my proudest YouTube moment is probably getting my first ad video. I know it's not about the money, but it's nice to show like the progress that you can get paid from doing it. Probably starting the whole channel as well was obviously like a very proud moment. Saying fuck the haters. Fucking hell. Favourite YouTube video you filmed? Probably the holiday vlogs. Oh, by the way, actually, just an interlude. My nails have gone, and this nail has gone, and this nail has gone. Please don't look at it. I am going to sort them out after this video. They are a mess. Decided to get my nails off because it's very expensive. My nail shop put their prices up, so I kind of like got angry and thought I'm gonna go in and get them took off. It's still £15 to get the friggin' things took off. I hate my nails without them. I went into work the next day. I was like, my fingers like sausages. I don't like it. So I'll probably be back soon, but I'm going to try and hold off as long as possible. I spent so much money on gel nail polish and I don't use it. Anyway, back to the question. Favourite YouTube video you filmed is probably, I really enjoyed the Shein one, 10 festival outfits, and that went quite popular as well. I'd probably do another one this year because obviously the trends have changed or will change. Yeah, that was a really fun video to film. It took me absolutely ages, but it was definitely worth it in the end, and it just gives like summer vibes, and we love summer vibes. Dream brand collaboration. Now I haven't thought of an answer for this, so give me a couple of minutes, I'm gonna think of an answer. I feel like I'd really like to work with like Misguided or I don't know, Shein. It's not really something I've thought about, to be honest. It's a really bad answer. I should have like a brand in mind to manifest, but I don't, so whoops. Probably any of the clothing brands that I've done videos on would be really nice. Favourite makeup product at the minute? Probably the primer that I used at the start. I seem to be reaching for it every time I do my makeup at the moment, so it must mean that it's good. Also, KVD Beauty Go Big or Go Home mascara. What's recently changed in your life? Probably like since COVID, things going back to normal. I'm going out a bit more. I'm a busy gal. But also, sorry, this is probably gonna freak people out. I'll skip past this part one sec. Oh, where's my highlighter gone? So yeah, something else that has recently changed in my life is I've started training at work and it's taking up all of my free time. That's probably the main reason that I'm not consistent anymore, to be honest, because that's what I do with my spare time nowadays. I've got hair in my nose. YouTube versus Instagram, you could only pick one for the rest of your life. Straight up YouTube. I've lost love for Instagram. You could probably tell by I've literally stopped posting on there. I haven't posted in a while. Also, another reason for not posting is I can't take a decent selfie to save my life anymore. I just think it's annoying. I hate scrolling through Instagram because you've got people who you don't follow on there anymore. I much prefer Instagram back in the day when you could just post pictures of like your new phone case and things like that. But people have got very far from Instagram, and props to them. Influencers you look up to / favourite YouTubers. So I've wrote 3 down because I know I wouldn't have been able to remember them. First one is Hannah Marling. I've literally been watching her videos since she started YouTube and she is killing the game. Like, she's gone part-time at work to do YouTube alongside it. I just love watching her videos. There's something so watchable about her. Molly Thompson. I feel like she's so wholesome and I think she just radiates like positive energy. She's very relatable and whatever, and I'm absolutely loving her Thailand videos at the moment. And also Emma's Rectangle. I just think she also radiates like good vibes, positive energy, but then she's so realistic in her vlogs. Her weekly vlogs are like my weekly ritual. I usually watch her weekly vlogs when I'm on the treadmill at the gym. Passes time and it's great. Last TV series you watched? Me and Alex have recently watched Euphoria season 1. Unpopular opinion, I don't know what I thought of it. It's good, it's an easy watch, but some episodes I feel like they dragged. Not much happens in it. I couldn't tell you something that deep that happened in season 1, but that's an unpopular opinion, and I've heard season 2 is much better, so I will carry on watching it anyway. We also started watching Ozark the other day. Only watched the first episode of that, but that seems good as well, so yeah, I'll carry on watching that. Favourite clothing / go-to brand? Probably Shein, you know. They do the best basics and everything on there. I feel like everything's always pretty good quality. Or ASOS, I think. Have you set any big goals you would like to achieve this year? Not really, just keep saving my money, I think, and keep living my best life. I've actually stopped doing soap brows. I know, it's shocking. I'm really not on it with the trends. I just find doing my eyebrows so hard when I use the soap. I think it's because my eyebrows are so thin. It's an issue. I still use pomade. Keeping it old school, do you know what I mean? Any bad habits? Spending all my money when I get paid. Spending my money on stupid stuff. Spending my money on food. Bad habits. I go to the gym a lot, but I still eat shit. And I overthink about everything. The last question is the juiciest question of them all. Tea or coffee? I'd say tea day to day. Don't drink coffee at home, but always a takeaway coffee. If I'm going to like Costa or anything, it's always a latte. I've got to fancy a normal coffee or coffee at my boyfriend's because he makes a great coffee. This is like the makeup routine that I do when I go to the gym in the morning. I hate getting ready at the gym because the lighting is horrific. Obviously the makeup looks a lot better in this lighting, but the gym is horrific and it makes me feel insecure. Maybe that's why I feel ugly at the moment. I think I found the answer. It's the gym mirrors. I better stop going to the gym. You may be thinking, what are you getting ready for today? Do you know what I'm getting ready for? I'm going to buy some hamster supplies. That's how riveting my weekends get now. So yeah, hope the pet shop man appreciates this makeup. What I smell today, burning behind me, is, my friend gave it me, one sec, baked cookies, right? If you like sweet scents, it's incredible. So yeah. Good job, that's cardboard material. Right, okay, whatever. You know what, conclusion of this video, I think I've got a sugar rush. So that is the makeup look. As you can tell, it makes me look a lot more presentable and hides my friends on my chin. If you've got any future video ideas, please let me know, because like I said, I'm very stuck at the moment, but I hope you enjoyed this little catch up. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.